Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get fish oil in Warframe. Fish oil is a crafting resource used for building items like Archwings, Zaws, and other gear. To get fish oil, you first need to catch fish. Open the navigation menu and go to Earth, then enter the Plains of Eidolon. If you do not already have one, visit Cetus and talk to the fisher Hylook. Purchase a fishing spear from Hylook and equip it in your gear wheel from the arsenal while inside a safe zone. Head out to the Plains of Eidolon and find any body of water. Use your fishing spear to catch fish and aim carefully to successfully land each catch. Once you have caught some fish, return to Earth, go to Cetus, and talk to fisher Hylook again. Select the Cut Fish option from her menu and choose the fish you want to cut. Each fish provides different resources when cut, and larger or rarer fish will give you more fish oil. You can also cut multiple fish at once. Fish oil can only be obtained by cutting fish, and it is required for crafting Archwings, Zaws, and various other items in Warframe. And that's it. We just learned how to get fish oil by fishing on the Plains of Eidolon and cutting fish at fisher Hylook in Cetus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.